Don't mind if I do. Dump on the curb. Wow, look at that. It's a fancy Bissell vacuum. Which apparently these things are super expensive. The only expensive vacuum brands I know of are Shark and Dyson, but I've never even heard of Bissell before. And it's absolutely disgustingly filthy. To be honest, if I had a vehicle, I wouldn't have even bothered grabbing this. I would have grabbed the TV that was sitting there, but whatever. Can't turn back time. Let's plug it in. Shut off already. That's it. The cord rewind thing got obliterated. Oh, that's what happened. Stupid vacuum cleaner. Probably tripped the breaker as well. Yeah, but let's see if we can get that motor out so we can burn it out. Get a camera shot. This thing's so disgusting, I refuse to destroy it in the garage. Let go. You're so disobedient. Oh, I'm gonna get the motor out. Just cut or split right in half. Is the motor out now? Motor's out. We're gonna see if we can burn that out in a minute here. That's really it. The cheap Bissell vacuum cleaner. I thought it was so fancy. How cheap. Alright, I can't burn this motor out for whatever reason, because nothing goes right. So, that's the end of the video. Sorry.